When the reservation is inserted in the calendar, it's very easy to transform it to rental agreement. There are two ways to make it. If you are a small company, you can transform directly from calendar, or if you are a bigger player, you will make it through going to the search reservation and search for reservation. And we go here and we can filter by class, location, and for example we select from 1st of August until today, and we simply click here. We see the available, not available, all reservations which were made, and AD 56 for example. We want to transform it into a rental agreement, simply we click here. If we want to go to calendar and directly transform reservation from there, we go to calendar and we click on this, for example, this reservation in yellow, which is confirmed by software, and it is reservation Bianchi Caterina, and we click on this, and after we see the old data which was transformed from the reservation, and we can click on new rental, and it will take you to the create rental agreement tab, and after we can specify who is the driver here. For example, you can say that Bianchi Caterina is a driver. If we have another driver, we can simply click on driver second or driver first. For example, can be that customer is Bianchi Caterina but driver is other person, so we just insert data here. There is car class, which is important to control, because here it shows which car class was booked by customer and which was assigned by operator. Moreover, there is pickup section, where is vehicle pickup time. This is the only section which has been changed from reservation data, because it is now actual time, so it changed to the actual time. And vehicle return also in time, and here we see the new feature which is enable monthly rental. And if you will click here, it will show additional tabs to this topic. It's about rentals, monthly rentals, and to this topic it will be dedicated other information in other video. Here you see the vehicle which was assigned to this client, for example model 3E1, and here you see the data, how much kilometers it was returned last time when the vehicle entered the company, and with how much fuel. For example, we can say if it can be any number like 1,000, 10,000, and it can be, for example, 50, and we can say if it's 30 or no. And after we go to rates, rates are also inserted by reservation source and rate description. It's inserted from the reservation. Here we can, for example, change discount rate. Right now it's 0 and it's 325 for 5 rental days. And if you want, we can set, for example, 10% and simply click here, and it will be discounted. And whatever, there is other tabs like prepaid, if it's voucher, and etc., depending on what is the situation of the rental. After we go to extra, and it is showing you which extras are included and which extras are not included, and it costs what amount of money it costs. For example, we see that there is 1,400 kilometers per week. Its amount is 0.15, and for example one way if it's different, and after delivery to customer, which will be 20 euro more, and etc. We go to pay and deposit. In reservation we indicated that it was about cash, so it's already written cash. And after there is split pay, which is additional payment method in case you will need. Here is customer documents which you can upload, and we go to checkout. Here it asks how much money will he pay in cash and how much money is not going to be paid. We go to checkout. Here we see the old damage list. So we see that this car was damaged by crash, damage severity was crash, and it was and other information about the damages. Right now we are going to click on create, and software is going to say to you that rental agreement successfully created. Do you want to create invoice? Right now I'm saying no, I don't want to create invoice, I just want to go to like print checkout, and it asks to select the language. Do we want in Italian or in English? We can say that yes, we want in English checkout document, and we confirm. And after, let's remember that you can also sign the document digitally, so it's going to ask you, do you want to sign the document? For this option, right now I'm saying no. And we will see the document, which is automatically generated from software with all the data you have inserted. So if you want, we will open, it will be in PDF, and here is our logo, here will be your logo, depending on your customization and how do you want it to look. And we see rental agreement number, and who is a customer, driver, and which extras are included, insurance. Here is a space for customer signature, and etc.